I want to sell via email, but I don't discount my offers. How else can I get people to actually buy from an email? Does that sound familiar? This is such a great question, and it's one I'll answer today. Hi, my name is Monica Badiou. I'm a conversion copywriter, and I'm here to answer some of your email marketing questions. Now, I've been strategizing and writing sales emails for a few years now, and my clients are always worried about discounts. If they use discounts, will that damage their brand? If that sounds like you, I have good news. Yes, you can sell via email and you don't have to discount your offers. And here's how. Number one, make sure you have product market fit, and this implies that your product or service is something that your audience actually needs, wants, and is willing to pay for. It also means that you are selling it to the right people, so make sure the audience is on your email list. Serving your audience frequently can help you learn more about who is on your email list and what they want. Number two, communicate social proof for your product or service, and social proof helps your audience overcome mistrust and shows them the kind of outcome they'd be getting if they choose to work with you. Spend a lot of your time collecting and communicating that social proof, and there are a few types you can use, like testimonials from clients and partners, endorsements from celebrities or authorities in your niche, all kinds of awards or certifications that you might have gained over the years, and even case studies. Now, even testimonials from your employees can help, and try to use as much as possible user-generated content. And this makes your whole content, your emails, your products, so much more relatable. Now, in the words of Daniel Kahneman, people would rather do business with someone they like and trust than with someone they don't, even if the likable person is offering a lower quality product or service at a higher price. That's something to keep in mind. Okay, next is making your emails about your audience, not about your brand or product. This is basically customer-centric copywriting or email marketing or marketing. So whenever you write an email, think about what's in it for your audience. Now, what are they gaining from reading your specific content? Even if it's a sales pitch, there are ways to add value. So how are you gonna help them out today with that content? In what ways is your product or service helpful to your specific audience in the current context you're at? And I talk about this very often, so please feel free to go to the YouTube channel to learn more about how context and relevancy can actually help you sell more without relying on major discounts or without being super aggressive with your pitch. Next is all about communicating frequently, but you have to focus on quality, not quantity. Remember the last step where you have to figure out what's in it for your audience. Now, one of the best ways to burn your list is to send emails without the regular frequency. So if you're randomly mailing your subscribers, maybe this month you're sending 4 emails, next month you're only sending 1, this lack of consistency is impacting your visibility in the inbox, both in terms of deliverability and brand recognition. So for me, it has happened on more than one occasion to just like, who the hell is this person? And just like unsubscribe without even opening the email. So keep that in mind whenever you think too much is too much. The rule of thumb here is to just be consistent. Now, you have to decide on a minimum frequency you can sustain and then keep at it. If you can only do 2 emails per week, that's fine. Just do 2 emails per week. Now, every now and again, you're just gonna not be able to support that schedule. That's fine, but don't make inconsistency a rule of thumb. Next question to ask is, what is your unique selling proposition? What do you bring to the table that makes you and your service stand out from the crowd? In what ways is your service so stellar that your audience is willing to pay whatever the price? Now, this is very cool, especially for personal brands. You have something that the majority of people don't have, and that's the actual expertise you bring to the table. So use that, communicate it, share stories, ask your audience for questions, and then answer those questions with your experience. Basically what I'm doing with this specific video. Finally, make sure you create some kind of exclusivity. Now, scarcity works amazingly well, and it doesn't always have to be about an expiring discount. So if you check the previous points in this video, then limiting how many people can get what you're selling can work wonders, and it can bypass the appeal of the discount. So if you have a product and you only have like 100 pieces in stock, or if you have a new coaching program or a new digital course, you can put a cap on how many people you're gonna let in. That kind of scarcity creates enough appeal to make your audience want to invest or secure your spot, and that allows you to just bypass using a discount at any times. However, you need to understand that for that to work, you must have communicated value to your audience. You must have made sure that your product, service, whatever it is, has a unique place in the industry and in the mental map of your audience. Now, there is more to this question than what I can fit into a quick video, so I'm happy to follow up on this. Just drop a comment with additional questions right below this video and I'll be answering. Thanks for watching, and if email marketing is a puzzle you want to solve for your business, I'm happy to help. This was Monica Badiou, email marketing copywriter.